How to watch someone's Facebook story without them knowing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So one of the first method to watch someone's Facebook story without them knowing is actually to go to the Facebook option over here, and you just have to make sure that you toggle on the airplane mode. So as you tap on airplane mode, you'll be just able to go to the Facebook application and watch the story of the person on the Facebook, and they will not be able to know that you have watched it because you're not connected to the internet. So next what you can do is simply just go to the story of the person and then have swipe the story, because this will let you watch the story but the other person will not know that you have watched it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.